Crispy chili beef, I love it. It's a classic Chinese takeaway, and I'm going to show you how you can whip it up in less than half an hour at home. First thing we need to do is prep our beef. I've got some lovely rump steak. Make sure it's dry, and then just toss it through some corn flour. Now onto the sauce. We're going to add our M&S chopped garlic and ginger. We'll save the chili for later. And keep an eye on it, we don't want that to burn. And now it's in with our chili. That smells absolutely delicious. Straight in with some white wine vinegar, hoisin sauce, some dark soy, and a good glug of sweet chili. And then on we go with the zest and juice of 2 oranges. Hey, I'm having a great time. Honestly, this smells fantastic already. Bring it to the boil, reduce it by half until it's thick, sticky, and sweet and delicious. Pop it in a bowl for later. Now it's on with the beef. I've got a fresh pan, really hot. Chuck in your beef, and you want to get it nice and golden and brown all over. Now we just need to chuck in that sauce. Tell you what, that smells off the charts. Chop up a few spring onions for the garnish, a little bit of chili to spice it up. That's my crispy chili beef, perfect for Chinese New Year.